with this international organization is very in demand actually. Very in demand. Kasi nga, pag may nangangailangan, not only here from Balestres or San Marcelino, all over Ilocos Norte, guys. Kabalika, Tessie, Kabalika International Association Incorporated. Palakpakan kayo may ako. Amin na nagkasasapulan for the past. May sa nagkagawa ng charities. May sa
kabalikat yan.
The broadcast media. Hindi kabalikat. And he is now taking a blood iso na tatlo makita niya bigay every page na. So before we get to start the program, may saman pa yung medley ako, and this piece is for everyone. For the public. Can we have cha-cha? Okay, cha-cha number please.